Welcome to the January 20th Jail and Zones production user call. We have Jan, Vadia, Antonig, Philip, Daniel, and myself, Michael, so far. And we got some good attention on a Vermaden site this week, Monday. And do check out these links from the doc. There is something on 15 VNet jails. There is a bit about the 15.1 release schedule, which, given that 15 focused so much on package base, uh, I certainly have my wish list for it. There is a blog on Debian jails, which is worth checking out. Many of these are very short. We've got DCH's comments on using package space to go from 15 to 16. That's all sort of unfolding. I've spent the weekend on ARM64 and OccamBSD and package, so I'll have some thoughts at some point soon. And a week or two ago, I mentioned a general theme to focus on for a bit on applications in jails. What does a marketplace or repo or something look like? And Dave's got his approaches. Perhaps he'll join and discuss the OCI extensions to do such things. There was, as for it, why would we do this? There's a lovely post from just the other day on a packaged up mail server on FreeBSD. Do check out Michael W. Lucas's recent book on the subject. But the question is broadly, what if you're stranded on a desert island and all you have is those say downloads to make these happen, and you happen to have just the FreeBSD base OS, what combination of say package and jailconf, etc., allows you to achieve this out of the box? So we were easing into that, and it stood out that our wonderful recent attendee, Varia, has an interest in porting either Luminary and or caps log. Let's take a look at caps log. And that's raised questions on, hey, what do all these things mean? And, can we trust GitHub to give us the same tarball of stuff when we click on what we think is the same release, etc., or tag, etc.? So I'll let, see, Antonig, do you want to take it away on giving the context on this? Oh, Captain's Log. I see what that's for. I like what you've done there, whoever the author is. So the license is nice. So what's the language? It is C++, it looks like. Okay, so if we were to hypothetically sit down and port caps log to FreeBSD, what would that look like and where would we start?
I'm guessing a category first.
Cool. Do you want
Which is
to share your screen or go through this? How would you like to structure this? I'm happy to take notes.
no, it's fine. Sorry, Jan, which category did you suggest?
Editors or text proc?
Text proc. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, pick a category. Okay, let's say in case of Captain's Log is going to be a text proc. Okay, and then I'm guessing were created. But that's actually also a good question. Like we need to make sure that that port name is not taken, because one of the reasons why I haven't upstreamed, let's say ported jailer to FreeBSD packages is because the jailer is taken. So I might
Oh,
need to
is
do
it?
something else.
Who
Yeah, it
did that?
is. It's a very old jail manager, like
Ah,
very old, back in the easy jails days, from like back in that time. So I'm gonna say caps dash log seems fine, apparently. So it would be
Search
user.
for it and it's not taken.
Who's not
and
taken?
FreshPorts is your friend for a quick and dirty search.
So let's see, developers for BSD ports. Did I do a git pull in here ever? I feel like I have. Yeah, I have. Okay. So text proc, that's nice. And then we'll do like, let's say McDear caps dash log. Okay, caps log. And then yeah, fresh ports is always your friend. And then what do we have
Frank.
next?
That's it.
Well, I guess creating the makefile makes sense.
Is there,
Which
in 2026, is the Porter's Handbook spectacularly perfect and describes that wonderfully, and that's the one place you ever need to look, or do you have to go to blog posts and Reddit and all that?
The Porter's Handbook is really good.
Good.
It's way more up to date than the primary handbook.
Oh, that's
and
good to know.
Then the what book?
Primary.
Oh, I see what you mean.
To date.
I see what you mean.
General, I'll call it. Okay. Do you want to step through that process on, say, your machine, or how do we do that?
I think,
Yeah.
Vara, do you already have a makefile that you're using for caps log, or were you just working on Luminary?
I was working on Luminary. I did not plan to get started on caps lock, but I have something done. I can send it to you.
Or do you want to
don't
share your
think my
screen and
computer
share it with
will-
everybody? Just show it, show the process.
Okay.
We had that brilliantly with Alexei on the recent Beehive call where he just went through a C programming routine with Git awareness and all kinds of great stuff.
Oh my God, this computer will not let me do anything.
I will stop share. Go ahead and
Okay.
try it. If not, I'll take over again. Oh, video.
Okay, can you see my screen?
We see empty dashes.
Yeah, of course you do.
I get
Okay.
cool gray stripes.
do-
Oh, now we see something. Great.
So,
Oh, now we see stuff. Yes.
Yeah, zoom in if you
I've been
can.
basically using other makefiles as a reference. For example, here I've been using the Libra NMS because it's also a visual tool for management if we simplify it to the point of stupidity, of course. And I kind of tried to copy it because it's also dependency heavy and it has a lot of stuff in it. For example, use PHP. We have use PHP here. And they've been trying to
Welcome, Dave.
figure out what to write here, but apparently we don't need anything here. Though, if I'm not mistaken, in the docs, it says not to leave the field blank. Let's see. Yes.
Dave, to catch you up, Maria is looking at making a port for caps log, the captain's log tool.
What's that?
Cool. Nice. Welcome, Barry.
Must not be blank, it says.
What if it's a Git thing? That's a good question. Let me have a look.
Yeah, you don't always need master sites if you're using one of the other sort of GitHub type macros. So one of the things I do all the time is jump to the terminal and go in the directory of the half-finished port and go make -capital V and then the variable name, and you can see what it expands to.
Okay, make what?
Just make -capital V and then whatever the variable, V for Varia. There we go. And just whatever you're interested in, like GH, for example, you can see what that evaluates to here. But it's got to be capital to match the variable.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Still.
And so that's also blank. Yep.
So
if you put in master sites now, you can see what it tries to make of that.
okay.
I don't think we use GitHub like that.
Excuse me. Using GitHub for what? Oh, shut up. We're using GitHub for what?
Like this master sites GH. I don't know if I've seen that before. Yep, no one else uses that.
Okay.
So you're after
they
this
do?
LDAPI thing here.
So if you look for example 14 in the single page view of the Porter's Handbook, it shows you how to use that. As an example, you set the port name, you set the disk version, you set use GitHub to yes, and then you can set the GitHub account and assume the GitHub project name will default to the port name. Implicitly, this use GitHub enables the GitHub support.
I did not know
Because
about
GitHub
that.
does a bit more than pure Git requires, so it has a bunch of convention for which the port can then derive with sufficient versions. Example 15 is a bit more specific. There you set a exact dist version with version number alpha timestamp, and you specify a tag, and yeah, the tag I think can be either a real tag or a commit hash. So if some projects refuse to do proper tag releases,
Yeah, so if you're using use GitHub equals yes, then master sites is set for you. So the documentation maybe is not as accurate there as it could be.
Okay, so I can delete this line.
Yeah, comment that one out or delete it, and then you can go now and run that.
Oh,
make
you know what will
batching
we do?
master sites, and you can see
Something-
what it actually evaluates to.
We'll do something very smart here. We'll just
Yeah.
comment it out and explain why did we comment it out.
Yes, please.
Does anyone know what make jobs unsafe is?
I know that every single time I thought I needed to use it, I was wrong. So I don't think I've ever used it.
Okay.
Yeah. I suspect it's one of those error messages that was done in the dawn of time and now is probably never correct.
Okay. Well, I let's see. So let's see.
Someone is kindly putting syntax in the document. Are you?
I am.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you.
so the problem is certain software does not properly reliably build if it's built with multiple make jobs because their make files are just broken.
Ah,
So you can disable parallel builds for these kind of stuff. Because otherwise, by default, the port system, if you run make build, will run multiple make jobs. But if some port, for some stupid reason, does not build reliably or at all with multiple jobs, you have to run one job, and then everything takes longer, but at least it works. And yeah, you can't really force upstream projects to fix their make files if it's not an issue for them. For example, because their GNU makefile works, but the BSD makefile doesn't or something. And the other problem is that, yeah, the maintainers cannot be expected to fix the build infrastructure to that degree. But it used to be a lot more common that stuff doesn't build with multiple make jobs. So yeah.
Where can you go back to, let's say, user source text proc, was it? Text proc? Yeah, text proc.
Text proc.
No,
Oh,
in
okay.
your
You
terminal.
meant wasn't text proc for
Yes,
caps lock?
caps lock. Yeah, I think we have fairly finished basics there. If you go and make that, I'll paste it into the chat. This is at least the basics, and then we'll just need like one dependency, is it?
So the
That
problem
right.
is that you need
Something XUI, FTX UI.
and
FEX.
we have a port for that, but only for version 6, and that caps lock still requires version 5 dot something.
Okay.
That's great.
let the yak shaving begin.
Okay. Are we going to build caps lock instead of Luminary?
Yeah, I think it's a simpler project, so we might be able to do it like in the next 5 minutes. That would
Okay,
be
so I'll make a Puppet directory for trying to do that.
Not very
Welcome, Jamie and
important.
Hatham. As developers, do you have any topics? We're going through a little porting tutorial here.
No, nothing new.
Cool.
No,
Hatham,
I'm
anything
just
going
laying the
on?
more.
No, I think it's text proc. Okay.
Cool. Well, jump in if something comes up and chat's your friend.
Is
So
it
yeah, we're
caps
just
dash log or dot
Caps,
log?
I think caps dash log. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, of course. So we need to also So first of all, we're doing the port name, no?
Yeah, I think I have it in chat.
Yeah, check the
Did you
chat.
see how it yielded automatically I don't think this is something with it. It's rather an autocomplete, but okay.
And in the docs. But if anyone knows the CMake stuff, I've never done that before. Let's see
We
what
have
we've
a
done.
whole uses CMake automation.
There's a whole use CMake. Wow, that's actually impressive.
Just grab for CMake in the Porter sandbox.
Please quick port
Take
name.
the single file version and just do a full text search.
I want to see, there was this very simple sample of a make file, and I want to have that in front of me.
One just flew by a second there. You can go there.
I'm sorry for being too slow.
That's okay, but I think there's a complete one in the chat.
Oh, in the chat, yes. So did you write this?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Porter's Handbook CMake, did you say? Okay. Introduction to users. Okay. CMake. There we go. That's cute.
We do what?
So my pro tip is first make it fetch
We
before
stage
adding anything
it,
else.
right?
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, do
Yeah.
make fetch.
Do that, commit it, and then start dealing with all the other bits afterwards. So small, slow steps.
See, now we need to stage it, right?
I
So
think you can.
I've got a way to make. How can I make this so I can read it? Just having. There we go. You want to jump back in your make file? Let's see what we got. And I would normally go make some here, and that does the magic stuff of fetching.
Oh yeah, it does some checksum stuff.
Yeah, and
Yes.
but it also fetches the file for if you got it right.
Creating the checksum file.
Yeah, I just go like.
Hey, can you look at my screen and see if just typing
Yep,
these would
yep, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Okay.
You can do make some or make stage.
Yeah, that's too early. Just go make.
So
first.
first you think you have
Oh.
to set do a make some, because otherwise the normal make fetch will complain that there's no specified checksum to validate against.
Okay.
So make that
There
is
was it
3.3.
right there. Yeah.
Make some. You just scrolled it off screen. It's like
Okay.
a quarter of a screen up.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay,
So
so
what
let's
am I
if
doing?
you jump back in the editor, we're missing something here. It's not ready to make it yet. What are we missing?
I think it's the path because it's in like home ports. Wouldn't that make sense? No, it doesn't. I think we need to do something else. 1 second. I think there's an include that we have to do. Yes, there it is. At the end of the file, we need an include. I totally forgot.
Yeah. Something BSD in this.
Yeah, you got to have the include bsd.port.make. Go to section 3.1, and it's got a nice minimal make file. That's what you start off with.
Section what? Excuse me.
3.1, just a little bit further up.
Okay.
Yeah.
3.1.
Well, there it is. It just exactly.
Yeah,
So
yep, that's the one at the
it's all
bottom.
there.
Yeah.
So master sites we don't need because you're using GitHub. But that bit the other bit you need there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we can do make some.
I would use a bang from Vim to save yourself a moment here. So this is looking good. It's fetching it, and it looks like it's talked to the right place on GitHub. So make some first fetches the file, and then it will make a checksum of it. And this is a good point to make a git commit. because this already works. So
Do we have Git something here though?
We have Git everything here.
yeah,
No. Wait a second.
it's good. Yeah,
Okay, sure. Because I thought that the ports tree is already
it is.
complete
Yeah.
Git. Okay.
Yeah, if you have checked out via Git, it's in, but if you just have it, for example,
Okay.
updated with FreeBSD, no, that's not possible anymore.
What emoji do you want me to use? Maybe package.
Really.
I love customizing stuff. Where to get the installing files?
Good. Okay.
And maybe the checksums. I don't know how to include it in the message. I think it doesn't really matter.
You know, it wouldn't.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So now we also have a dist info. That's nice.
Yes, that's what Makesum does. The fetch stuff goes wherever your system wants to put the fetch files. And if you cat the dist info, you can see that it's the file it fetched and the checksum.
Okay.
Will we be needing this reference? I want to close the tab so we can see.
No, you don't need it.
Okay, can you please remind me what was the Timux
Control B down.
yeah.
Prefix down. Okay.
Control B down. No, I know how to navigate there, but how to close.
Oh, you just close the terminal. What do you
With
call
exit or
it?
You mean
something?
just exit out?
No. Yep, and then just exit.
Okay, thank you.
There we go.
Okay, we committed it, so now we need to stage it, I'm guessing.
I think make stage should work at this point, yes.
Okay. Yes.
Try to add make jobs unsafe and rebuild before reporting the failure to the maintainer.
I've never used it. I don't think that's helpful advice. So what's interesting here is where did it get to? Okay, so if we read the error message,
can't open make file. Okay, because there's no make file.
What's happening here is make. I'm going to paste something that I use here, which has a lot more steps in it, and this will. I think this is pretty handy. Function support maker. Okay, so these are all the useful steps that I use when developing ports. And you can see here
text sanity. That always
if you just go make configure, it will do all of these bits. It will unpack the port. It will check that the checksums match, and it will actually extract it. So if I were you, I'd start with make clean extract here. Okay.
What am I doing?
Try make clean, and we're going to skip a few of those steps and then extract. Okay, and that should work based on what we see already up there. Yeah, there we go. So the next stage, then we can go make patch, and you don't have any patches, so that will work as well. And then I'm going to go make configure, and eventually one of these will fail, and then that's the bit we want to fix. Okay, and then build, and that's where it'll say make cannot open make file.
Should I just try everything that is written here?
Yeah, just do it one by one.
Go on.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Build.
So what's happened here is behind the scenes, the ports framework has unpacked this directory, and it's looking for a make file. And there isn't one because it's a CMake project. Okay, but if you have a look, what is it? I think it's make -v work like that. This is where it puts the stuff. That's a capital V. And it's WRK because Unix, every character matters.
Work there. Okay.
Yeah. And so you can have a look there and you can see what it's unpacked. And this is often handy for figuring out why the ports framework can't find something that it can't find.
Should specify this path in the make file.
It's not in the make file. No, it's part of the ports framework. It does the unpacking there. In your system, it puts into the Git repo space, and mine it puts into a temp directory somewhere else so I don't make a mess. And you can have a look there and see what it unpacked. And that's really handy to do to figure out how to tell tools like CMake where to find stuff. Yeah.
Oh no, I thought I could just paste without copying. so I'm just looking into it.
Yeah, just have an ls or something. Yeah.
I'm thinking of a similar project we have that uses CMake. I mean, like
Yeah.
it uses CMake. So what comes to
the
my
next thing
mind
to have a look
is
in here is if you look instead of work source, workdir use work source, that would be inside this caps log directory. So that's the
Hello.
unpacked source directory. Where are we here?
Hello, God of Wi-Fi. Is my memory
Where's
correct?
the tree? Is there a
What?
work tree?
Yes, there's a work. Yes, there's a work directory in there. Yeah.
Let's see the.
Yeah. And it should have, I think, yep, it has, yeah.
So what are we doing with the work tree?
Yeah, so we want to have a look inside this caps log directory, and we're hoping to see some CMake config files in there. And then we go back to the man page and see how we add the user's CMake stuff.
Yeah.
I wonder if we need to see anything from the files that are listed in the work.
Yeah, just have a look in the caps log directory. That's the source code. You see it on the right there? It's the source code that it's unpacked for us.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just.
Yep.
Have a look
And
in here.
Oh no. Huh, I have fancy editing
Oh, very
utilities.
fancy.
Okay, CMake.
Right. Okay, that's great. So we know that's a CMake project, which we kind of knew already, but we also know where it puts it. And the other bit that's interesting is there's a license file in here in the same directory, just called license, with no with no suffix. So what we should do now is jump back and have a look in the handbook and have a look for the user's CMake section.
I have a question. Can you open the first CMake file, the find the libgit2.cmake?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
The find. Okay. Yes.
The find the libg2.cmake. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So here's my worry. Wait, is this like fetching the stuff from Git or just looking for a libgit? Okay, it's just looking for a libgit. Okay, that makes sense. Never mind. I
Does
just
that
want to
make
make
our
sure.
work
Yeah, because
more
my worry
easier?
was, what if the project is downloading files over Git that we are not aware of? But I don't think that that's the case here. Yeah, I think it's not the case here. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, Uncle Dave, you were saying something about the license file?
There's two things of note here. One of them is this find libgit. So we know it's going to want libgit as a dependency. And the other one was the license file, which is something else we want to add as well later on. So it's always good to have a look around the source tree and see what you see.
Awesome. So I think in the make file, we can add...
Yeah, you'll find it in the porting porter's guide. It's already there.
I think you can just go and have a look in the porter's guide for something called dependencies.
Or just look for users CMake. It's already there. It's so common.
Excuse me. Is this the porter's guide? Because
Yes.
screen sharing, I
Yeah,
can't.
So
yeah,
so
right
so at the top there's a search bar, not the website search bar. Yep, that exactly. Yeah, type in CMake. And there we go. Here are all of the users, and there should be CMake in there. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so use CMake configure blah 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 in out of source is performed, work source within the in source argument. Okay, well, if everything is correct, I think you just need to add users equals CMake. Yeah. Yeah, you can just add that.
Okay. Okay, I understood that.
The no ninja argument, do we need that? Or do we know?
Okay. Ninja is much faster normally than for building stuff.
Interesting. I had no idea.
There's Ninja and there's Samurai, and they're all faster than
so
Mage.
It's all, do they also have like Jedi, just in case?
Maybe.
That's a good reason to use C++, I guess.
Text log.
Ports, text proc, caps log.
Yes.
Okay, good. Make file.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So
So we should add the users.
yeah, we want to do users equals CMake.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is enough. What do you
I think
think?
it's almost always enough to get started.
Okay.
So one super handy thing here is not to quit Vim, to leave Vim open.
Ah,
You can
okay,
open
and just
file.
open the terminal.
Yeah, we'll not even open a terminal. So you can close that. Just do it in Vim and then go, what is it, colon and then bang or exclamation mark, and you can just type your make commands in the bottom here. So you don't need to change the line. It's moved to normal, whatever. What is it?
Normal
Non-edit.
mode. Yeah, normal mode. Yes,
Normal
normal
mode,
mode, column, or as we call it, command. Okay, great. So bang, that's a shell. No, bang as in shift 1.
Exclamation mark. Yeah.
Assuming you're using QWERTY. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, it automatically changed the logo or something. Oh,
So
that's
fancy.
amazing. That's so fancy. Yeah, you don't need the first one at this point. You don't need the first one. It automatically changed the, yeah. And I guess make configure.
We just want to go make build. Make
build.
Oh, make build. Okay, okay.
Yeah, make build. So that's the step that it failed at. And now it'll run this inside VimView.
Did it complain? I
It
didn't
did
do
not
anything.
complain. I can see the messages.
Oh, maybe. Okay, I don't see any
Yeah,
messages.
we don't get to see
It did
them.
not complain.
So it looks like it just worked then. Okay. That's a bit of an anticlimax. No error. Where's the fun in that? So now we can keep walking along the other ones here. We got as far as build, and now we can see about the stage things.
Let me open the. Oh. Okay. So we are at stage, right?
Yeah. So what's worth doing occasionally is doing make, clean, build. Okay, and that just makes sure we're doing all the steps from the beginning. So it'll delete the
Something like
source
this,
code.
right? Clean.
No. Just make space clean space build.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you need L for build.
Bid.
BUILD.
I swear my typing gets worse as more people watch.
Oh, nice.
Oh, this is
Yeah,
interesting.
fancy.
We definitely don't want this. Okay, so let's go cancel here. So what's happening here is
It's building everything for you right now. Yeah, I think you can control C that.
Yeah. So what's happening is the ports framework has gone, oh, here's all these other things that you don't have that you need.
And I'm going to build them
build
for
those
you.
from source for you because I assume that's what you want. And we probably don't want that because CMake and its friends take ages to build. So we would rather just install these from ports directly.
Yeah, just do a control C on them. Yeah.
Control C until this stops. There we go. Okay. So does that make sense what it's trying to do here? It said to build this new port of yours, you need CMake. You don't have CMake, so I will go and build that for you. And that will take like, I don't know, half an hour or more.
Is it building from packages or?
So what we want to do is we want to ask the ports framework, what are the things you need me to provide as a package so I don't build all these things from source? And as it happens, I got tired of doing this, so I have a shortcut that does that for us. Let's have a look. Which one is this? This is called...
I think it's install something. Install missing dependencies. Yes, install dash missing dash dependencies.
Yeah. Do you have something for that? Because I have this horrible shell script. What have you got, Andrew?
Yeah. So what I have is make. You can do, you can type in if you want. Yeah, and it's install dash missing dash packages, all attached to each other. It's a single target. Yeah.
Oh, that is so much nicer than what I have.
Missing, install missing, and don't forget to do the space. Don't forget the space. Just control C that. Yeah, just control C it. Control C it. Yeah. There's a space in between.
Okay. What?
Oh, whoa. No arrow up. Okay. Install. No. Attach. All attached to each other. Yeah.
Oh.
Dash missing dash packages. Enter.
Oh, that's a lovely one.
That's a lovely
So
one.
much nicer than my
I
Oh,
think
wow.
I think I asked Kublai Kojak, remember the guy,
Oh, yeah.
to add it back in the day because we were suffering with this.
Sweet. I love this.
Thank you
That's
for
so much
that.
nicer.
While that's fetching, welcome, Adrian. We're going through a porting tutorial. Do you have any urgent developer jail topics?
Hello, God of Wi-Fi. You are on mute, but I'm guessing
No
he's
worries,
just
we're just
nodding his
catching
head.
off
Okay.
guard. Don't want to have him feel left out.
He is speaking, but you know, we don't hear anything, so that's fine.
Muted again. No
Well-
worries.
Well,
Oh,
Jan
wow.
had texted, do we have any jail stuff left? And I just have the ongoing question that we were talking about before the recording of what's the best way to plan for managing jails for the next, say, decade? Is
Maybe we
it
can talk
That is
about
the
that
ultimate
until the
question.
fetching is done. Yeah. That's the ultimate question. That's very dad joke.
So in context, this porting is in service of the broader question of using the in-base framework to say have meta ports for applications that you want to maintain yourself or pull from a repository. So as for maintaining jails for eternity, I will say we start with in-base tools and step one, document and communicate them, which I trust the handbook is to some degree up to date with the current OS, but Philip, has that approach not served you well? Or Adrian, you're unmuted. Do you have any thoughts?
I've just been trying lots of things is the
Oh, cool.
the
Well,
issue.
that's good. The ultimate question.
On a tiny side note, Varya, can you do Control C on that? Change the package repo back to .org because thank you, Uncle Dave. The Fastly things are. Can we curse on this channel?
Ha.
Yeah.
Dude, be
Great, are
polite if you
fucking
can.
fast.
Yeah.
They're fucking fast. They're impressively well. They're apparently we have a local cache somewhere in Armenia, so it's working very much well. So I think you can Control C that. Change the etc package freebsd.conf, I think, to the org version again, like we used to
Probably
do.
use a local Etsy.
Oh no, it's not stopping.
Oh no, it's not stopping. Okay, it's okay.
Is
It's
it
okay. Just
parallel?
yeah, just type in kill all pkg, kill all space pkg.
No, never use kill all. Use pkill. Oh my God, stop.
Okay,
Kill all is
okay,
bad.
okay, dude. We're not on
Don't
Solaris.
teach them the
We're
wrong
not
thing.
on Solaris. It doesn't kill everything. Don't
It
worry.
doesn't
Okay,
do
yeah.
what you think on Solaris. Who uses
Yeah.
Solaris anyway?
Solaris is like
Kill who?
literally I'm gonna kill all. Okay, pkill pkg, the package manager. Yeah, pkg. Pkill pkg should do it fine. Yeah. Enter. Okay. Did it die? Okay, it died.
Yes. So etc dot.
Apparently Adrian has some kind of a PTSD from kill all.
No, it's 2026. We don't need to be teaching people bad old things. God. Anyway, hi, I'm
But we
Adrian,
also
and I'm
don't have to
grumpy.
fight muscle memory too hard.
Does
Yeah, I
it?
know.
Oh, is my
Etsy
terminal
pkg.
responding?
Oh my God.
It's not, right?
Philip's still here, no?
Well,
Did he drop off?
so it's
Yeah,
I'm
here.
here.
Just check the list.
yeah.
Etc dot what?
pkg.
Oh yeah, of course.
And yeah, there we go.
So I'm changing it to Armenians, right?
Oh, it is on org. That's interesting. So wait, is 15 is 15?
So this file
Fascinating.
should modify, and
It's on
instead,
modify,
see the
yeah.
second line, it says, don't fiddle with this one, fiddle with that other one. And use a local Etsy package repos.
So here's a question for you. Is Fastly configured only on 15 or 14 as well, or is it like the whole domain?
It's even cleverer
I think
in
everywhere.
retrospect. There is a redirect from the CDN for certain directories.
Okay, got it. Well, in that case, this is, I guess, useless. Apparently, it just didn't cache properly in Armenia yet.
You probably find you've got them configured and use a local Etsy instead.
Should I
Yeah,
continue installing the missing packages?
yeah, do that. No, we didn't. We didn't configure it in user local. Let's see. Yeah,
So what should
we'll just wait until it does the install too. Yeah,
Why does it
Okay.
need 600 packages though?
it's
Because
CMake.
CMake
Because
and-
CMake.
CMake doesn't require
My
600
fan is
packages.
screaming.
No, so what happens here with one of these things is that
Oh, oh no.
the
Yeah, you need
documentation-
624 packages. No, something's wrong there.
Yeah.
So,
This is because it
um,
wants to build documentation, and documentation requires text live, and that's where it all
Oh, you're
goes.
building documentation as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
The moment that happens, you end up having to build Rust, Go, Ruby, Python, Perl, and every build infrastructure and build tool. It's just yeah.
And the other thing is this make install packages. You can see it at the top there. It's installing all the flavors of all the tools,
Goodness.
Yes.
which is wrong. And I think that's a package bug because package shouldn't download
How fast
3
is it?
different versions of the same thing. See, like we're like TextLive base, TextLive, TextMeth. Those are different packages, but that's sweet
Oh.
spars. Do we really need all of those?
No, so this is why typically I'm a big fan of splitting packages into the docs package and the runtime package and the tools packages. Some ports people like it, some ports people don't. But for example, I've been playing with what minimum viable product lists of packages look like if you want to bootstrap a platform, like for example, I don't know, PowerPC 64. You don't have any hardware.
Yeah.
You want to be able to like run Git. What happens? And I can't build Git at the moment because Git requires Ruby, and Ruby takes more than 2 days to build in an emulator, right?
Wow.
But the difference between building CMake and CMake, the program without docs, is whether or not you need Rust. So the moment you build CMake-doc and you build CMake, it ends up needing Rust to build some tooling, to build some tooling, to build some tooling that one of the doc tools needs to build the CMake docs.
Yeah.
Right. And then it does this, right?
There's
So-
some.
Yikes.
So if I was doing this from sources, I would have docs off as an option in my make.conf.
Can we do it now? Like, if we do it now, will it not download all of these?
So I have a suspicion that this super handy make install missing packages isn't as efficient as my very ugly.
Because you were going to do make
Make
list packages
run
something.
depends list.
Yeah.
But I don't
Don't we
know.
have a make target which shows all the build dependencies, make show build depths or something?
That's the one
Yeah.
I've got. Make build depends list and run depends list. About 10, 20 lines up.
And then just install them from packages.
Yeah. So I guess I probably have most of the things I need on the system already, but there's a lot in here. Like we've
Yeah,
got
see, look, it's sucking down Rust.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
And I don't think I have enough space on my VM for this. It says
Probably
9
not.
gigabytes. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
When making the VM, I never planned to install CMake.
Could you type
so
that
hold
make
it. No,
depends
wait,
list,
wait.
etc.?
Wait, Control C. Are you just trying to install CMake? Is that what you're trying to do here?
Kind of. Yeah, let's do
And
that.
you don't have to install CMake. You have to install CMake-common or whatever the hell it is.
CMake core.
CMake core, yeah. So just hit
Okay.
Control C and just do package install CMake-core.
I think what this illustrates
Right
is
now, I think
how much
what's
sort of
happening is that
intrinsic-
you're trying to install the transitive hull of
Yes.
all the build
No.
dependencies of all your build dependencies and so
Wait.
on.
No,
Is
not
it,
that way.
Yeah.
dash core or
just-
slash core?
No.
Yeah.
You need
Sorry, this
users
one's-
One at a
equals
time,
CMake.
please.
One at a
Yeah.
time.
Excuse me. Okay. So uses what?
That's correct. We can move on. Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Thought I was
Next up.
doing a smart thing. Okay.
Yes.
Just do
And don't do that. Now do pkg install cmake-core. Or just CMake. Okay, pkg install CMake. Okay, sure. That's
Is
as-
that not
as
what she
Adrian-
did? Oh,
as-
she
as-
did the
as
dependencies.
Adrian
Okay.
says. Okay, go on. Let's see how long will that take.
It's-
Okay, this is
this
makes
is
much more sense.
short.
Let's go on. Yeah, let's go on. Okay. So what I want to do now is in the CMake docs, let's set it to, or rather, let's set all of the docs to off. I think we can do that globally. So in none of the docs
Okay,
thing would get built.
maybe in Etsy CMake.
It's in Etsy make.conf. Can someone correct me if I'm wrong? Make.conf, am I right? Or is that for the non-ports? Let's see. Nope, that's not the one.
Make.conf will do stuff in ports and in some things in source.
There's also the option of, I think, setting it via the make command, right? Like make dash capital V
Done.
something.
So excuse me, it's Control B O.
Okay.
No, Control B. This.
Okay.
What are we doing?
So I don't think you're in a new. Oh, that's a good question. Maybe you're doing it in a new terminal. Let's check. So what we need to do is we need to set the docs equals off globally, so none of the dependencies would get installed. Can
Okay,
anyone
is
correct
that
me if
done
I'm wrong?
in packages or in configurations?
That's what I don't know. Does anyone know where we set the global variables?
It's in make.conf, but I think we
It's in
probably
make.conf.
don't need
Okay.
that.
I
So
don't think we need that for this part,
before
right?
doing that, I would just run make build depends list to see if it wants anything else.
Okay, so control C that. You don't need the second terminal.
And then
That's
we can
fine.
see if we're missing anything. So just to explain what happened before in a little bit more detail, when we use this command to list all of the we asked it to install all of the packages that it thinks it needs to build every single one of its dependencies from source. And that's why it wanted like 9 gigabytes or something. And what we're hoping to do is just by installing the things we think it really needs, just the binaries, we won't need all of those other packages.
Yeah.
So we kind of want to ask it, hey, is there anything else that you think you're going to need that we don't have yet? And we can do that with make build depends list.
Yeah, make build dash depends dash list.
And so it's just making a list of stuff. It's not actually going to build it.
Then
All attached together. All attached together. It's not an argument. Build dash depends dash list. Okay. So Jan apparently is doing work.
oh,
Actually,
so it was
right
installing
here.
CMake before.
Ninja, and then we're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
But here's a question. Is this recursive? Is this going to be something
No,
like...
it's not, which is why
No,
I
it's not.
use that.
Okay.
Okay, so may I?
Yes.
So just do package install Ninja,
Yeah.
right? Because you don't care about it, and it will install the pre-built binary. It won't
Oh
install.
no. What is it saying?
No, you just had a terminal error. Just run the
That's
command
fine.
again. Run the command again. You just had like a terminal error. Yeah, it ignored the Y.
Yeah.
There we go.
And now you've got everything that you need. You don't have, if you're having to build Ninja and CMake from source, it would pull in every dependency known
Okay.
to man.
Okay. Let's
So
do
now
that.
you're
Let's
free.
do
I think it
build-
doesn't pull in all the WebKit and LLVM versions we
Yeah,
have. So
let's-
that's kind of the only thing you get spared.
Yeah, let's do the build depends list again. No. I think you can just do arrow up and find it.
Yeah, of course.
Hopefully.
I
Yep, that's the
don't
one.
see it.
Great.
Is this
Yep.
one? Mhm.
Yep,
Thank
that's the
you.
one. Okay. So it's still saying Ninja. That's what I was getting worried about.
Ninja is really fast to build anyway, but CMake and CMake Core are not.
Okay, so do we want to do PKG install? Well, because she did install Ninja, right? But it's still asking for Ninja.
No, I think
No,
at this
it's
point we're
just saying
fine.
a list of stuff
Oh, we're
that it
fine.
needs.
Okay. What do we do
That's
now?
not saying that's missing. It's just saying if you're going to do the build, you need these things. And
Okay.
we manually
Hmm.
build those.
So now make build, I guess. Okay, make build it is. And there you
Here
go.
we go.
Awesome. We got an error.
I
Amazing.
have had these errors. So this is not a building error, but rather a
Caps log error.
Yes.
Alright.
So
making
how
progress.
to go to the visual? Is this? So I can.
We probably want to go up and see what the first error is.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Footer X UI, is that a thing?
Yes. It's a thing.
Yeah,
It's a
but
dependency.
jump down, go to the first error. There's already a fatal error
Mhm.
before that.
SRC. FTX UI. So I think if I install it, it's going to show up. So
There's
Well,
still one error further up. We're going to got to do the first
how do I
error.
escape this mode? How do you
Q,
escape?
Q.
What do you mean Q?
You press Q. The letter Q. It's the first one on the keyboard, right next to tab. If you
Yeah,
have a
of
QWERTY.
course.
Okay.
Okay.
so if it's a dependency, you should put it in the make file, and then it'll go tell you it needs to go
Oh,
fetch it, and you
Okay,
can.
okay.
But do we have FTX UI in
Well, that's-
FreeBSD? That's the question.
We
So you want to do
do.
PKG search for that? Yeah.
Yeah, we already do.
We do. That's awesome.
Oh,
It's a
really?
Apparently we
Yay.
do.
Arch didn't
Congratulations.
have it. I had to build it.
Yeah, Arch sucks. I'm sorry. So now now edit the make file again.
And it also uses FX2E.
No, users is a user's case. This is an actual dependency. So you want to
Depends.
you want to put at the bottom. You want to do. I think it depends, right?
But this will be a
Depending on-
lib depends because we're including a source file, an object file. So it needs
Okay.
to be a lib underscore depends.
Okay, so lib underscore depends. Yeah.
The format is very specific for this. We have to tell it the package that this file comes from, and we have to tell it the shared object we want to fetch. And I'm super lazy, so I never look for building these things from scratch. I just use grep in the ports tree, and I found one that looks like that, which is probably what we want. And some other existing port that someone else has already done.
Oh, so it has in there FTX.
Yeah, I think you want to put that. So open the make file again, and in lib depends. You want to change it to whatever Uncle Dave posted in the thing. So let me get this right. So there's a screen.so, not screen.so. It's a libfx2e screen.so shared object which comes from devel / Okay, now I got it.
Yeah,
that's handy.
So there's
yes.
two components to what we're asking for here. We're saying, hey, ports tree, I need you to build a library for me. And the library is libfx2e screen.so. And you need to find that in the ports tree in this other port called devel /fx2e. And now we will want to port install that. Otherwise, that will go and build everything again.
Oh, okay. So
PKG
this is a
install.
piece from your example.
Yeah, PKG install FTX UI. FTX
FTX. Yeah, another.
I mean, I would have named it FX2E. That makes a lot more
Yes,
sense.
I know, right? This is like Forget Joe being named Forget Go. No, the opposite.
You know you're doing your project wrong when there's an MP3 telling you how to pronounce it. Yeah.
Okay, so it did it. Should I
Okay.
try building it?
Yeah, make build again. Yeah, fingers crossed. Okay.
Okay. It's still not there.
Well, we need to go back and see what the first error is. What is it failing to find?
It's still the same thing. FTX UE not found.
So you need to go up a little bit.
So
further.
if you read a bit,
Top here.
if you read a bit, you will find that the latest released version depends on version 5 of that library.
Okay. And FreeBSD is running 6.
And FreeBSD is packaging 6. So I tried to build with just the development branch, the main branch, and it worked. But that's not really good practice for a port to package some development branch.
Yeah. So what do we want to do here? Do we want to patch the CMake file to make it use version 6 from FreeBSD? Or do we want to do something else?
So there's two things here. We're not actually seeing the first error. There's something that's failing before that, and we need to fix them in order. There's an error here about not finding Git, and so we should probably look at that. But broadly speaking, what's happening here is a really common thing in porting. It's that the CMake toolkit is really designed for people building applications completely from source and not in some sort of package distribution. And it's expecting that there's a Git binary that it can use to add a Git submodule or something like that in the right place for this for this thing. And so in general, in the ports tree, what we try and do is hack out the Git piece. So tell it you don't need Git, you're not going to fetch anything from the internet, and tell it, hey, but the thing you're looking for, this is where you're going to find it. That's generally what we do. Whether or not that works will relate to what Jan said, which is the package wants 5, the program wants 5, but FreeBSD ports has 6. Sometimes that will work, sometimes it won't. We won't know. But does that make sense, Freya? The error message is specifically saying CMake is looking for this file in this directory, and it's a Git submodule, so it wants Git to check this out, which it's getting very confused because the Git repo that it finds is the Git repo for the ports tree and not for whatever this program is called again. I've forgotten. Caps lock. Yeah.
Okay, so we should specify a different link.
Let's go up a bit and read the first error message and see what that was, because we can't fix the second or third one until we fix the first one.
Says,
yeah.
Do you mean the CMake error at CMake list one or
not?
Add subdirectory given source?
Is there anything at the top? Can you go back to visual mode and see if there's anything at the top?
Some stuff that is missing.
Visual mode. Nope.
That's pretty good. Okay, so what do we see here?
These are just warnings.
Yeah, that's the first one. So CMake warning.
We need to read that first one. So if you have a look there, Captain's log version, CMake warning at line 32, find package. We'll go and look at that in a minute. Could not find the config file for FTX UI that is compatible with 5. And it found this other version in the right place, but 6. So what we can try is hacking the CMake lists file to say 6 instead of 5, and then maybe it works. Okay, it's a bit of a gamble. How much the stuff does this change? We don't know. So the way we do that is we just go back to this directory and go make clean extract. So what's this saying is get rid of all the partially built stuff and unpack the port again. Don't try and build it. Cleaning for CMake core. Okay, so that's good. So what we need to do now is we're going to try and make a patch. So we have to change directory to the place where the source code was unpacked to. Do you remember where that was?
Where the source was where?
Yeah, where unpack the source code. And we can cheat. There's a cheat way to do this.
Oh.
We can say, hey, tell me ports tree where you unpacked it to. And that's always work source, this WRK-SRC. And so we can say change directory to the result of this command.
Oh, the
not that one, just the make-v work source, and that'll put us in the right place every time. I put it there in the Zoom.
Yeah, you can have a look in the chat.
Okay.
You're doing super well, by the way. This is hard mode already, this port.
Most people don't come this far. Yeah. No, it's WRK source.
Oh no.
Oh, but don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it.
Not doing it. Not doing anything.
Okay, good. Control C.
Yes.
Control C. CD space dash.
Oh no. Okay.
CD space. Okay, now you can do the right one.
Okay. Okay.
Work source, yes.
That's right, yeah.
I think people used to like deduct their salaries based on how many letters you used.
Maybe people were just Czech from Czechoslovakia.
Yeah, so if we have a look at this directory now, you may recall the error message was in the CMake lists line 32. So we're going to have a look in this directory and see if we can find a CMake file.
Yes, there is a CMake.
Yeah, very good. So what's going to happen, in general, what we're going to do is edit the file, and then we're going to make a patch, all right? But the ports tree has helpers for this. So before we jump into Vim, we're going to make a copy of this file so that that can do
okay.
that stuff
So,
automatically for us.
okay.
So just go CP, CMake lists, blah, 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 to the same thing again with a .orig at the end of it, orig.
Orig.
Or orig. Same
Are we
again with
copying
orig.
one file
Same.
or some?
Only this file. Only this file. Yeah.
Okay.
You do CMake. Yeah. The same file name
Yeah.
again.
Back.
Dot.
Bug.
No. Oh,
It's got to be
yes.
orig. It's got to be orig.
No. It has to be a very specific name. It's the file name again. .org in the end. It's going to be .txt.org. No, it's going to be .txt.org. We don't care about that. That's for Microsoft people. Yeah, org. Orig.
Oh.
It's okay. No worries. Just copy it again. Yeah. Or do that. Yeah. Dot. Great.
CMake.
Dot
Orig.
orig.
Yes, original.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
And the reason we did this specifically is back in the ports framework, we can so make patch, and it will say, oh, okay, everywhere there's a file that ends in a .org, I'm going to copy that. We're not going to do it yet because we're still going to edit the file, but it'll make a patch for us and put it in the right place, all ready to go.
Aren't these files the same? Because we didn't.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And
You
then
can go back again. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and now you can jump into Vim.
And we're modifying not the original, right? We're modifying this one. Yes.
The fake one. Okay,
So
so
we're
we
line
are looking
32.
for the files.
Yeah, it was line 32.
Oh,
Yeah. Line.
32.
It's colon and then 32, colon 32. Yeah. This isn't your Vim, is it? This is different.
Yeah, this is Vim, not NeoVim.
Okay. Doesn't matter which Vim you use, whatever you want to use. I've got to
Okay.
find line 32.
So at the bottom, at top, go up. You see where it says find package? Up.
I'm looking for it.
Just find
Yep.
line 32.
Yeah.
Yes.
There we go. Okay.
There we
So
go.
you want to change the 5 to 6.
And we're hoping.
Yeah, sure, we're lying to it. Okay.
Yes.
Gaslighting.
Totally.
Ah.
So that's the only
so-
change we hope we need. So now you
Hopefully.
have CD dash to jump back to where we were.
And then
And now
make
you can make
build.
patch.
make patch.
Okay, patch.
Right. It's make.
Oh,
make
we're patching it already.
Yes.
No,
Okay.
we're
So it
gonna
made the
make
patch.
Sorry. These are all different things. Make patch says for this port that I've just extracted, apply any patches that I have.
Oh, we want to create a patch.
So we're going to go make patch.
Oh, make patch. Okay.
.orig file we have, exactly, make patch. All one word.
All one word. The
Oh.
make patch is one word.
Should
No
hyphen, just
dashes.
patch.
I think it's yeah.
make a
Man.
make patch.
Yeah. And so you can see I made this file. So have a look. You can do this in your in NeoVim again and see what's in this patch make file.
Is it in the other directory?
I think it's in no. I think it's
back in
no.
the
I think
ports
it's back in the ports tree. Yeah. Go back.
Because it was not there.
Yeah, you can ls.
And there'll be a files directory.
yeah,
and
we have
in the
Yeah,
files
files,
directory.
not patch. Sorry. Yeah. And if you cat it or you look into it, yeah, you should see. Yep.
Yeah,
That's a patch. Yeah.
Yeah, do it in Vim. It'll look so much nicer. Yeah. Okay, and so you can see here, it's a standard Unix diff, and it's got remove the FTX line with 5 and add the 6. So what this means is when we distribute your port in the ports tree, we aren't going to distribute the actual files, but we're going to distribute your make file and maybe one of the 2 or 3 of these small patch files. That's it. And the rest of it is the unchanged source for upstream. Okay. So it makes it a lot
flexible
faster to
for
destroy.
It is very flexible, yeah. Especially if you come from like Art or other places, that would the tooling here is much simpler. Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe hopefully make build will
I
work
made a
now.
program and I brought a program that eats my program, so you don't have to make any adjustments. It's very nice to my eye to like give the maintainers to do those things
And
because
we have 35,000 of those. So
yeah, very nice. So we're patching, no, so we're building it again, right? With our
You want to make clean
patcher.
to make sure we're starting off from a clean slate. So make clean build and see where we get to.
Okay, we're at the right place.
Yep,
we're at the right place.
make clean build.
Build.
And so build says
Okay, we got rid of one error.
Yay.
exactly. So now it's getting really grumpy and it's saying, what is this?
Find packages handles the standard orgs. What the hell?
I
Could
did
not
not
find boost. Oh, it needs boost.
Oh yes,
Always
it does
the
need boost,
first
but it
error.
needs an alternative of the boost. Okay, let me search for.
PKG search boost.
Yes, it does have a boost. I am sure of it.
We probably have more than one boost.
Yeah.
Yes, a lot of them. Boost. Is there a little boost? Like
It'll be
this?
the boost lids we want, but I assure you it's not little.
So are we getting this one?
Let's see what Uncle Dave says.
Yeah. I don't know whether you're going to need boost build or boost libs, but we'll start off with libs and hope that's
Okay.
enough.
Okay, do an install for boost libs.
I had the same error for Arch. Yes.
Oh, it's tiny. Oh, that's great. I mean, by tiny it's 15 megabytes, but still it's tiny compared to the
Isn't
boost
it,
all, which is like a gig.
18.
Now we have to add that. So Dave, do we add that into depends or just build depends?
So the question here is, what are we depending on?
Oh, that's a very good question.
What is the thing that we are being asked for by CMake?
The boost library with thread support. Don't forget to add pthread to your linker options when linking your code.
Yeah.
Do we link anything?
We do, and it will do that automatically. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
excellent.
probably.
So
based on other examples that I found in the make file, you should be able to add build depends, and I have the syntax here.
That should be a lib depends. It's not a build dependency, it's a runtime dependency. We don't need to. So the difference between these three you have build, lib, and run, and they're all different. So a build time dependency says you won't need this at runtime. You need it to build the ports. That's like make or CMake. Okay, that's what a build dependency is. A lib dependency says you don't need this to build the software, but I will link your binary against that, and you will need it at runtime. And then we have run depends, which is you don't need it for building, you don't need it for linking, but it won't work if it's not there. And I haven't got a good example for that, but if your program uses Python at runtime, you don't need Python for compiling it. You don't link against Python, but when you try to run your program, you've got to have Python there, and that would be run depends. So we're linking against a shared binary.
But which one?
So it will be a lib depends, and we don't know which one it is from boost. So I would just pick a random one like thread or something.
I think, let's say libboost thread. That's a common one.
There's probably a way to figure out what those are, but I do not know what it is. And we need to put this into our make file, just like we did for the FTX UI one.
Yeah, so go back to your make file. Awesome. Let's go down to lib depends. Let's, at the end of it, let's append.
Oh.
Yeah, just next to what you can append. Yeah. Space, and then you can paste in what Uncle Dave.
At the end of the line, though. At the end of the line.
At the end of the line, yeah, space, and
just
then
drop it.
and paste the new one, which is somewhere in chat.
Yes.
Okay. Make clean build. And fingers crossed. No, space with a space. Yes, they are separate targets.
Sometimes
and then
it's a space. Sometimes it's a hyphen. Sometimes it's the same word.
Yeah. Patch make really got me confused.
Okay.
Okay,
Ooh, that's
which is
good.
not an existing directory, FMTSRC. And maybe it's not in the right place. Can we search
No.
for it?
So this one is looking for a different library called FMT or format, and it's a very, very common C++ library for doing formatted output very, very fast. And it's the same Pin was doing beforehand, but it's called libfimt. So I will search for libfimt.
Yeah, you can do pkg and install libfimt.
Yeah, which one is it? Yeah, it's just libfimt. That
Yep.
one.
Format.
I think it's
Instead of-
also tiny. Yeah, it's just as is. Yep.
Okay,
And-
are we adding this as well to the CMake dependencies?
But this
Yes.
time, we need to show you the trick that I used to figure out what we put in, okay? Because you can see that we have to depend on a shared object within that library. So if you go back to the ports tree,
Oh, devil.
yeah, we're not quite ready for Vim yet, but you can put it in there. You see here all the other ones actually specify a shared object. We need to find a shared object.
Yes.
Yeah, but because we don't know which one it is, did you git clone the ports tree in your ports folder?
I think so.
Okay,
Yeah.
so go back
And I was
outside
trying-
go back to the ports tree, the top of the ports tree specifically, and then go
Okay.
to devil libfimt.
Should I open a different terminal?
No, you can just go in here. It's fine. Yeah, go back to okay. No, I don't think it's in there. I think it's in your home.
I
Okay.
remember I cloned it when I was playing around with Poudriere.
Okay. So you
I
might have it as well.
remember.
I see what you mean. Yeah. Wherever it is,
It's
you can
in
just
somewhere libshare or something like that.
lib ports,
It's in
user ports, ports, root ports, user
Root
ports.
ports, yes.
You can
A
go
lot of
to
stuff.
root ports. Yeah, it's in your home. Yeah.
Okay. egrep is like so much slower than ripgrep. It's not funny.
Okay.
Okay. So now go to, oh, that's interesting. So this is not actually complete. That's fine. Then you can go to user ports. User ports. Let's see if you have, yep, you do. Let's go to devil libfmt.
Don't need to do that. So what we're looking for is we're looking for a port that already depends on lib format. And then we just copy paste that because I'm
Yeah.
super lazy.
Yeah. So go
And so
to,
I just do this little grep thing in here, little grep pattern. I actually have another tool called ripgrep, which is much faster, but egrep is fine. And I'm just saying, show me lib depends for lib format. And one of these will be correct. I think I need to go. I think my Americans are calling me.
take your time. Thank you very
sorry
much.
about
We'll
that.
continue from here.
Take care, Dave.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thanks, Dave.
much.
Not at all. Yeah, we'll do this
You
another time.
explained
Ciao.
things very nicely.
Ciao. Okay.
Bye.
So you can do grep-ir. -ir.
IR.
Yeah,
Oh,
actually, if you open the chat, Uncle Dave posted it in there.
thank you, Uncle Dave.
Yeah, the
Love
first
you.
line is all you need, which is,
Okay.
grepping, whatever that is. Okay, yeah, and this is gonna search in all of the ports tree and find something that uses exactly that. So you can find what the dependency is. Now he
Oh,
did
that's
already.
so smart.
Yes, so that's
Very
the
smart.
line that we need. So you can,
Okay,
control C.
anything will do.
Yeah, just control C it. So it
Okay,
doesn't
so go
copy.
to
You
here.
don't need to go. Just copy the. Do you see that?
This one.
Yep, exactly that. Yeah, copy that.
Great.
Okay, now go back to your ports tree, which is in root ports. Yep, great.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you're in the right place. Yeah, now go to text proc.
Oh yeah, you're
Text proc, and then we have caps log. Yep.
yes. So 1 second,
we
the make
can-
file.
Yep, exactly. Capital M.
Yeah, make file.
Okay.
Fish would understand immediately.
Yeah, you can delete. Yep. Okay. Paste that. Save exit. Let's do make clean build. Make clean build. And there we go. I think it
It did it. I think it. Oh, error.
Oh,
No.
so okay, that's fine. It's looking for libgit, which is also something that we need.
Can we
And
do the same thing?
we
And
can do the same thing, but because I have it open on my machine, I'm just going to do that for you and paste whatever the line is. So
I
it's
appreciate
gonna,
that very much.
so it's going to be lib. I think it's libgit 2. Can anyone confirm if it is libgit 2? Because I'm not.
That's what it says up on the error
Yeah,
messages,
okay.
libgit
Yeah.
2.
Great, and I found it. I'm posting it into the chat. This is the one that you will need. And we probably also want to install libgit2 using a package after you add that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we used to do that
Okay.
before adding stuff
yes.
Okay.
PKG search libgit.
too, or
Yeah,
without.
libgit. I think it's libgit2. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Okay,
libgit was
great.
so good, they needed to make libgit too.
Yes,
Okay, so
they loved it so much they built it twice. Yeah.
yes.
Okay,
too.
that's kind of okay. Now it's
Oh, it's
building.
still
It's
building.
actually building it now.
Okay,
Okay,
but
and
no.
that's okay. That's absolutely fine. Do control, just go up a bit. Oh,
The control C and
actually,
we're finished here.
this is good. Yeah, we have everything we need in here. So it tried to build error, only virtual memory functions can be marked over. This is actually a compiler error, which means that there might be an issue with the compiler versions. Adrian, do you know the solution to this if you're still here? I'm guessing that we need to specify a different compiler.
No, well, maybe. What is it compiling? Text proc.
Caps log, which is the new port that we're making, and it's complaining that only virtual memory functions can be marked overwrite. I think
Yeah,
this
that's
is
true.
because,
So that's a problem in the source code.
yeah, I think it's a different like C++ standard issues.
Right.
Yeah,
And if it's
or
who
we
wrote
can-
this? Who wrote this? Is this
Oh, it's just some project we found on the internet.
okay? So, if it's a C++ standard thing, I believe there's a way in a ports file to say which version of C++ you want it to build against.
That's true.
Than
Yeah.
whatever the latest is. I don't know the details of that.
Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do CXX if I'm not mistaken. That's the
Something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, and then here we can probably actually can you copy the error and paste it into the chat? Any of the
Sure.
errors.
I'm very good at doing that,
Okay.
usually with LLMs. Don't kick me out just yet.
No,
Why?
you won't. That's fine. We all use LLMs and we all hate them, so that's
Oh,
fine.
I don't use LLMs.
Oh,
You know
no,
what
no,
happens
no, no, no.
when I use an LLM? It lies to me and then something catches fire. So
Okay, yeah. To
Like
be fair,
some
you
forest
are
and
working on stuff that is like literally undocumented. So
yeah.
okay, thank you. That's good. Can you also copy the line that says error only virtual member functions? If you go no, just if you move your mouse up,
Yeah. Do you mean the
yeah, if you just move your mouse up, yeah, right there. Wait, you passed the right there. Just calm down. There you go. That's the one. Yeah, you see it says
the
like
override part?
yeah, that and the line above it. Yeah, I wanna see. Yep,
Sure, I'll just give you the
that. Yeah, that's great. Mhm.
s'il vous plaît.
Perfect. Okay, so let's see. Only virtual. I want to figure out which version of C++ supports this, so we specify that one. Of course, we are in a situation that C++ has 80 billion ways of doing things. The override keyword, yes. When was it added? Can anyone tell me? Come on, LLMs, can you be useful a bit, or not even close enough? No. Interestingly, oh, this is interesting. Protobuf thing? I don't think so. Nope. This should be a version thing. I wonder what would happen if I do this, if I search with FreeBSD at the end of the
Okay. Oh, so for example, PNG had a similar issue, but 2 years ago, the libpng specifically. So let's see how they solved that.
This showed up in C++11,
Okay.
right?
We are using C++11 at least in our LLVM toolchain.
If you compile this manually, does it do the same thing?
We can try.
GCC something something.
So
Well, so
go.
here, this is a great question. What happens if you compile this with GCC instead of LLVM?
Oh, yeah. We should ask
GCC what? That
Jan
maybe
because
work.
did you compile?
No. So what you can do, isn't it users equals GCC? I forget what.
It is users equals GCC. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
users equals GCC. That one does that. But I'm also thinking if we do, yeah, okay. So don't right next to CMake space GCC. That's it. Okay.
GC.
Yeah. Now we still also need GCC, so don't build yet. So
Yeah, don't build yet.
pkg install GCC.
I just can't wait to see the next error message.
Yeah, this is what we do all day,
Yep.
fix error messages apparently. So not Adrian,
Yeah.
of course. He doesn't have error messages. He has
No, I just have devices just like go out to lunch.
lighting up,
Oh, are you working with with
Wi-Fi.
hardware?
He maintains our Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Oh,
I work with Wi-Fi and like platform bring up, and my day job is like I work on the Facebook glasses.
very well. So
So
you're an engineer.
I am, yeah, I'm an engineer. Yes.
I might need your stories
Life
to.
advice.
Now I have stories, but they all
Well,
involve
I
swearing.
have a capstone project in 4 years, so I will definitely take your advice about what to make.
That is a
Did
big
it
ass
install?
GCC. It's installing.
It's going
that's
slow.
good. Okay, so I still do wonder about the CLang part because Jan was able to build it. I don't know if he did something. I didn't knowingly install GCC. Okay, so that's a good answer, Jan.
I mean,
Thank you very much.
it's very possible. It's very possible that like CMake or the way we run CMake, or there's something that's turning on other errors or errors as warnings as errors or something, right? We could just try with GCC and see what happens, and then we can also like try compiling it manually with the default system compiler and see what it does. The problem is when you run CMake. So say you run CMake, say you unpack this in a source in its own directory and just went into it and like make your build cd build cmake ... and it goes and builds the CMake files. You actually have to go look at what CMake's done because it may have chosen a compiler and a bunch of options that are its defaults, but our ports framework has gone and dumped a bunch of other defaults on top of it, right? So yeah.
And apparently Daniel Engberg also made a patch for libpng for this. I'm gonna have a look at the patch just in case to see if it's something that we can use. If it's too big or not, that's also a good idea to figure out. But let me just have a look at his patch and see if it's easy to do or not. It might be something as simple as changing a C flag. Like it might be. But we want to do quick porting, so we just want to make sure that it builds at the end of the day. So yeah.
Is this a Wi-Fi issue that it's so slow?
No, it's not. The problem is that the Fastly mirrors have not synced completely yet on 14. I think you're on 14, not on 15.
Yeah, I'm on 14.
Yeah, the 15 is. The 15 is working very fast. The 15 is actually working as fast as the Armenian mirrors, and I'm quite impressed with that. And of course, I forgot to tell Uncle Dave about it. I mean, he did an amazing job bringing Fastly to FreeBSD. So it was very, very useful. Which is very funny because last week we had 0 electricity for a whole week at the data center. So, it was good to know.
Wow.
The Fastly
Do
was
you
up.
all use FreeBSD on your machines, the personal ones?
Well, I mean, I lie. I do have one NetBSD machine next to me, but that's because it's an old Silicon Graphics machine. But yes,
yes, NetBSD it runs on different
Yeah, and this machine's a Windows machine, so I can play Fallout and No Man's Sky and like
Oh,
Microsoft
Jesus
Flight
Christ.
Simulator. But like everything else I have here is basically FreeBSD.
Play
Laptops, desktops,
MMORPGs
everything
with
else.
me. Play MMORPGs with me. I'm looking for MMORPG
No,
friends. Okay,
it doesn't
no,
use
No,
GCC.
my
that's fine. That's fine. It says unknown users GCC. That's actually might be true. I might be dumb. Let's see if we have the users GCC in a different way. Let's search the docs for GCC. 1 second. I'm pretty sure I remember how we used to do this before. FreeBSD. Is it users GCC or use GCC? I keep getting confused about this. 1 second. Let's see. PKG. Okay, so we did PKG install. That's good. That's correct. And then we have to tell the port to use GCC. Okay. Where do we do that? Is it CC equals GCC instead of users GCC? Oh God. Let's see.
Yeah, there's definitely a way to specifically say which version of the compiler
Yeah.
to use.
Oh, why am I being such a not a smart guy? I can just grab GCC and find what other. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's not users GCC. You can remove GCC from the users.
Thank you very much.
It's CC equals GCC, as in the C
CC
compiler equals
equals
GCC. Yeah.
GCC.
And I wonder if there's anything also like G++ specific, and that's also
Well,
true.
you can try. Yeah,
Yeah.
go have a look. Look for CXX equals and make files and see what it does.
Yeah. So right there, do CC all capital, of course.
Yeah. CC.
yeah.
It's a
C
quoting
compiler.
someone.
Yeah. C compiler. Yeah. Equals GCC. Okay, great. And now we want to do make clean build again and see if it works.
Please work.
Let's see. Okay, it's building. Do we get an error? If we do, we might also need to specify the C++ compiler. Not just, yeah, we
Can you
also
scroll,
need to do that.
Can you scroll up because it did dump out a bunch of things that it said was manually overridden. So scroll up
Yes,
above
of
that.
course. Oh no. No. Wait a second.
Okay, take your time.
So it's one day I'll be more fluent in navigating my own computer. Okay.
Keep going up. Keep going. Keep going up. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Stop. Stop. That's too much. So it says the compiler is still using Clang. Right? And then good.
Yeah, because we did not specify the C++. Yeah.
Yeah,
okay,
that's
so
fine. Keep going. Let's see what it says it overrode. Previously
keep going
specified
down or up?
variables. Keep going down.
Okay.
Yeah, see how a bunch of these things were not manually
Yes,
specified.
CMake C
variables were
compiler.
not
There we
used.
go. CMake C compiler. That's the
Yeah,
one that we need to specify.
Yeah, there's something you got to you've got to do something, and I don't know the ports framework enough to know how to tell the ports framework. Please tell CMake to use GCC, but I know there's a way to do it.
Yeah,
I gotta get back to
think-
work. I'm on the hook for like
No
devices
worries.
not working, so
Thank
see
you
you
very
Take
later.
care,
much.
Adrian. My
Yeah,
pleasure.
thank
Yeah,
you.
we can do this.
Goodbye.
So,
Thanks for joining.
I
Thanks,
think you
Adrian.
can. I think you can also change the add CXX equals G++.
Oh no.
I'm
We
sorry.
have the
I'm
whole
very
alphabet
sorry.
here.
Yes,
What?
CXX.
CXX.
CXX, which is like that's equals G++.
G++.
Yeah, that's the GNU C compiler. That's the GNU C++ compiler. Okay, so let's do make build clean. Let's do make clean build again. Okay, I'm not sure if it's gonna work, and if it doesn't, I'm guessing
If we
it's not.
pretend that we don't care, it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. I think what we need to do is can you scroll up back again? And we don't need to this. We just want
Yeah.
to scroll back up. I want to see if it did use the right compiler or not this time.
That's much okay.
A little bit more. Okay, there we go. Okay, so
CXX compiler
so
features
see it
done.
says check for working G++ skipped detecting blah libc pthread failed. Sure, whatever. I mean, it's not complaining per se. pcrate found. Okay, and then we have that, and then found OpenSSL, found boost. That's good. And then during the compilation, it failed. So what am I thinking? Normally, manually specified variables
were not used in the project. That's good, I think. But then it still kept failing on this. Oh, wait, this is a different one, is it? No, it's the same one. Sorry, it's the same one. Render marked override, but does not override. Is this a problem with the source code? This did compile on Arch, right?
It did compile on Arch, I can show you.
And remember, you changed that dependency from 5 to 6.
Yeah. So I'm thinking, one second. What I am thinking is, can we only virtual member functions can be marked override. I'm trying to figure out if this is a compiler version error or not, for sure. Only virtual memory functions. Okay, sure, let's do that. Can be marked override. Come on, Google. Come on, give me anything. Literally anything. Do we have any ports with that problem? Oh, we do. Oh, that's nice. This is called EDV debugger. Okay. And the solution to that is, unfortunately, non-Linux ports are woefully out of date, blah, blah, blah. Not good to test. Okay, no news in that project. That's sad. What else do we have? And then we have, oh, so that's an actual, okay. Special considerations, okay. I don't like doing this, but that's fine. This is like a lot of finding things. Where do I find?
Findfulness.
So it's a C flag. What we need to change is an actual C flag. But which C flag is it? Or CXX flag? I'm not sure. But which C flag is it? That's the question. C flag.
Why don't we go through other packages that use the...
Oh, thank you. That's an amazing idea. So it's called override, and the override argument is override. Okay. It's called dash. It's dash something. I'm pretty sure it's dash something. It's dash M something. Okay, so we need another flag in there. Where is my port tree? Here's my port tree. Grep dash NR. I want to say C flag in all of the port tree, and we want to find something for overrides. A lot of output. I'm sorry. I'm not. This is why I prefer Pascal. We don't have problems like these. Instead, we have a proper programming language. Okay, so I don't see that. That's interesting. Okay, let me grab for overwrite. Is it overwrite? I hate writing this word. Okay. Grep NR overwrite. What do we have? Anything overwrite oriented, overwrite specific, missing overwrite. No inconsistent missing override. Would that do it? No. Only member functions can be marked as override. So is that the fix for a compiler error? I'm not sure, but it might be. Oh, this is a good question to ask Stack Overflow.
Yeah.
If only it worked.
In the meantime, does anyone like Depeche Mode?
I grew up with Depeche Mode. That was
I was about to
actually
give the
one of
same
the
answer.
first concerts I went to.
Really? You went to their concert?
Yeah, this was probably back in the 80s.
Oh, I'm so jealous. I got a CD as a gift of their album Music for the Masses.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I love Strangelove from there, and when I discovered the song Sacred, it's also good.
Oh,
Anyways,
yeah. I have Depeche Mode on my normal rotation for like songs that I listen to, especially their old stuff, because that's what I grew up with.
I have songs that I listen to on the rotation for my Depeche Mode. So I usually listen to Depeche Mode, and there are some songs. Wow, you went
What
to
was
their concert. That's amazing.
well, what was interesting was that I mean, this is when I was a kid, but they don't have a drummer, so I thought like all, bands had like a drummer, but they use all electronic. And so I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
oh, well, I thought they might have had a drummer doing the beats and stuff, but that's not the case. So it was interesting.
Are you
It
playing the
was,
drums?
well, I don't play drums, not really. I tried at one point, but I'm not a very talented musician by any means. So
Oh,
it's so it's I love listening to music and singing off key.
Was this an
yes.
error
Playing
or a
off key is
warning? Sorry.
fun.
Yeah.
Was this an error or a warning?
This was,
Can you just
let
do make
me,
clean build and so we can have a look?
yeah, of course. So, which one particularly?
Uh, let's see. A bit down. Okay, so GCC started running. Okay, good. And then it printed that. Which category is this in? Okay, let's go a bit down again. So it did fail with code equals 1. So that is an error, not a warning. Okay. So it's gonna be a GCC specific flag, I am guessing. Okay. What can I do? I do wonder. 1 second. And what would happen if we use a non-GCC? Can you go back and remove the CC equals the stuff, or just comment them out? Yeah, you just comment those two
I
lines. I want to see if we still get the same error or not.
think we already have the error message with,
Yeah,
for
that's
this
fine.
case, we do have the error message somewhere in the chat.
And the second one too. The second one too. There's
Oh.
CC and also CXX.
Okay, sure.
Okay, good. Now let's do make claim build. I want to just figure out if it's the same error or not.
This
Okay, it's building, and yeah, it is the exact same error. Okay.
So it didn't make any difference.
Yeah. So it's not a GCC or CLang specific issue. What when we do is we can add a C flag to tell it to use. And can you read the logs again? I want to see, is it still using GCC or not? Just go a bit up. I think it's at the first line of the when the compilation starts. It tells us if it's using GCC or CLang. I'm guessing it's going to use CLang. Go a bit up more, a bit more. There we go. So it's using C++, which is the CLang chain. Okay, that's great. That's great. So what we want to do is add a new option in there in the makefile.
Oh,
I think the option is this, CXX flags. And let me just find the proper syntax because it
should I
might be
add back the GCC?
no, you don't need to do that. We don't need those. You can just comment them out for now.
Oh,
And
okay.
for that, it's not a plus, it's not an equal sign, it's a bit different. It looks like this. Let's see. Is it C flags or CXX flags? I think it's CXX flags. Or is it C flags? Actually, let's do both. C flags equals, and according to the docs, the argument is, I think, this one. I might be wrong, but I also might be right. So let's see how. Okay, paste. Okay, I pasted those. You can add those.
Thank you very much.
Hopefully it would work. I'm not sure.
Okay,
Not
okay.
sure. Okay.
With no
okay.
error override, sure. If it
Yeah,
makes
so
errors, just tell it to not make errors.
ignore them. Yeah, hopefully. I'm not sure if this is going to work. Okay, well, it did ignore those errors. It did ignore those errors, but now we're getting, oh, wait, no, unknown warning option. Okay, so I might have missed something. Can you go a little bit up?
Yes.
I do wonder what the continuation is. Wait, yeah,
It's
go.
just a
That's too
longer
much.
error.
Yeah, let's just go down. Let's just go down.
and see what the actual, maybe that's a warning. Maybe that's not an error. Let's just go
It
down and
failed
see
with
if
the
it
code
failed
1.
somewhere else. Yeah. Go down, go down, go down. Okay, then that, what's next? So then it goes of warnings generated. Ninja, oh, there we go. Subcommand failed. No, it was actually continuing. Ninja build stopped, subcommand failed. That's interesting. Why would it fail on Ninja stopped subcommand? 1 second, let's do that.
So I copy paste some error message.
I can type in, don't worry. Build, Ninja build stopped, subcommand failed. Common issue in Ninja. Great, we have docs. What do you want me to do? We're not reprinting. No. Okay, no. So this is a Ninja issue. Maybe we should add like uses Ninja instead of just a dependency of Ninja, because it doesn't. I'm not sure.
Is the
Okay.
error about not finding Ninja, or Ninja
It's-
is somehow?
So it's a Ninja specific issue. So let me have a look into our docs
We don't
again.
have Ninja here anywhere.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes.
But wait. Oh, you're right. We don't have Ninja
Ninja.
anywhere in here.
Where is
Yeah.
Ninja? It's hiding because it's a ninja. But let's add it back in.
Sneaky.
Oh, well played.
That's the
Well played.
funniest joke I heard all day. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So yeah, do in the users you can do in the users you can add Ninja after CMake. Okay,
Okay.
good. Okay, let's try doing that again. I hope it doesn't like compile the whole parse tree or something. No, it's going fine. Come on. And same error. Oh, wait. No, same error. Is it same error? It is same error.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Now I do have a theory that the lines at the top do not matter. Can you comment out the things that we added again? The C flags and the CXX flags. I think even those are not needed.
Is there a way to comment out selected stuff in visual mode?
Yeah, just do a D and forget about them. Yeah, D. Yeah, okay, great. Yeah, awesome. Now let's do it again. I have a theory that those are actually warnings. They are not errors. So let's see if we get the Ninja problem again. You can save it and run the make thing again. Yeah. Okay. I
Please,
feel like
Ninja.
if it says Ninja error, so it is a Ninja error. Okay, it is a Ninja error. That's actually good
But
to
was
know.
it Ninja error before and after we added Ninja?
So apparently it's always a Ninja error. It always was a Ninja error. We just never knew about that. I do wonder if, there we go. Yeah, LLVM 11, Ninja build stop subcommand failed. This is a bug by Doug.
Do
This is a
you
bug
know what
by
I want to
Doug.
do?
Do I know what we want to do? So there is a patch for this, and what do people do here? It works for me, blah, blah, blah. I've not seen failures, etc. Maybe it's a user's Ninja issue. Not at all. Is there a patch? Where's a patch? I need a patch. Yeah, Ninja build a stop subcommand failed. What did people do after that?
Why aren't we just going through other make files from ports?
Yes, I'm gonna do that right now. So grep
That's
dash
the option I would
nr.
abuse because people are that
Absolutely agreed.
that's a
Absolutely agreed.
library of guaranteed working make
Yep.
files.
Yep.
Why
Yep.
not
Yep.
copy from there?
Yep. So let's see. So with Ninja, maybe I want to have a look at this file. Oh, okay. So it's a build depends. Okay. So let's go back to your make file.
We're there.
Okay, and then we want to do we want to add a new dependency section. We want to call it build depends, build underscore depends, similar to lib depends. Yes.
Oh yes, like Uncle then
Dave
the
told
Dave.
us. Yes, build depends.
1 second. Yes. The
Depends. Okay,
Mhm.
and Ninja would look something like this. Ninja Devil Ninja. Okay, let me confirm. Yep, confirmed. Yeah, all of the packages are
Wow,
using
should I delete the CMake uses Ninja part, or did it make any difference?
Yeah, you can put it in a comment. You can put or you can delete it if you want. Yeah, let's see if that helps us out or not.
because I don't see that
So,
anywhere.
fingers crossed.
Okay.
But it's still, yeah. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Wait. Is it the same error? Still the same error. Okay, let's add the users ninja as well. I'm not sure if it's needed, but I'll figure
I'm
something
pretty
out.
sure we're.
To be fair, we are in a very pro territory at this point, so I'm not amazed that, okay. Did it change anything? No, it just says ninja build stopped subcommand. Okay, which subcommand? Can you at least tell us that? Absolutely nothing. Okay, let's do something that might be interesting. Do we have a project that looks like this? It has to be something that's a C++, is a C++
Yes,
project.
and it's something that uses FTX UI.
Oh, good idea, FTX UI. Let's see who does that. Let's see who does
They
that.
probably use Ninja too.
Okay, who uses FTX UI? Because we have it as a dependency, so someone might have, you know.
I'll be
Git
back in a
GitDui.
second.
GitDui does it. I had no idea. There's a
Git
command.
GUI.
Yeah, it's a thing. It's a
There is
command
a Git
called
GUI and I'm not
GitDui.
using it.
Yeah. So let me have a look at that. GitDui. DOI, okay. Vim makefile, great. So what do we have here? So, okay, what about the Ninja stuff? No, nothing. This one doesn't use that. What are your uses? CMake, compile. Ooh, this is interesting. Maybe it's a compiler issue, and this person has specified a specific compiler for that. Do we want to add that? Maybe we should.
Yeah, please. If it's
Okay.
working, let's add that.
Let's, okay, so in the uses, you can add this. Yeah, you forget the GCC stuff. In the uses, you can add this. I think you can remove Ninja from uses, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, sure.
Ninja.
No.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Ninja and we add Samurai.
And here you can paste whatever I put in the chat. Yeah,
Okay,
the
compiler
thing.
C++17.
Now we might need to install the compiler itself, but we'll do it in a second.
Yes. Is it there though?
Okay, so okay. Now do Control R. No, don't, because I think the package name is a bit different. Do Control R and type in missing. I think it's called miss. No, it's not missing. I think it's make. Oh, we have chat for that. I totally forgot. Uncle Dave posted that here. That would be make. Yeah, it would be. Yeah, you can just Control C. Yeah, make build depend list. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's the one that we need. And again, it's a single target. So yeah, great. Awesome.
I remember that one.
Depends. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's see. So nothing new. That's great.
But the depend list used to be 3 dependencies long.
Yeah, but we kept adding lib dependency.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I thought that's something constant. Like what does it need to
Okay.
do?
Now do make a clean build again. I have a theory that by setting the compiler version, it might have fixed it, but I'm not sure. But let's see if it did. Clean build. If it didn't, it's fine. We'll figure out which Ninja option. No, without the dash. I'm sorry. We have terrible developer experience, but
Actually, you don't. But yeah, this isn't.
I'm gonna guess it's gonna fail again. Yes,
with Ninja.
With Ninja again? Yes, it is with Ninja again. So how can I figure out? So what we can do is we can tell CMake to not use Ninja. That's a thing that we can do. I wonder if it's going to help us or not. But ideally, I want to figure out this Ninja
we
problem.
care about from all the dependencies.
Yeah, like we really don't care about this Ninja thing, right? Like what we actually do, because it's a documentation thing. It's not even a, or like a, I don't know what it is actually. Okay,
Should I go
let's
to
yeah,
the
go to the make file again. Go to the make file again. Let's just add no ninja as an option, and the way that you do it is in CMake. You see where it says CMake? Right next to CMake without a space, you are one line at the bottom.
yeah, this is
Yeah, you do column. No, okay, yeah, sure, why not? Yeah, a column attached to the CMake. No,
CMake.
no, CMake,
Mhm.
CMake, column, yep. And then you say
Ninja.
no ninja. No ninja. All one word.
No ninja.
No ninja. Okay.
Okay. No
I don't know.
ninja.
I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's I fingers crossed. I think it's not gonna. Whoa, wait. Oh, okay. Now we're getting different errors, which makes me happy.
No, it's building errors. But we have some building stuff added to the make file, so it can be from there.
So,
Wait, so it
We
said
can be getting double errors, the same one plus the
okay.
new ones.
Okay, so go back to the make file and in the users add this. Because it did start compiling, so that's good.
But do you see ninja errors here?
I don't see ninja error anymore. If you go to the bottom, there is no more ninja error.
Yes. Very
Yeah.
fabulous.
So can you add this one again in the users? This one, the compiler thing. I wonder if this is gonna help us.
Oh, okay. So you're double attacking it.
Yes. Okay. Fingers crossed. I don't think it's gonna
Okay,
work.
let's hope this. Nope, don't.
Ninja error, no more ninja error at least. But then we got the compiler error. Okay.
Should we use
Now,
GCC?
yes, I was gonna say that. Now let's use GCC.
Well, we
So-
finish each other's sandwiches.
Yes. At the bottom. Yeah,
Uncommenting
uncomment
everything.
those, yes.
GCC, I believe in you.
I mean, it's GNU software, so I have mixed feelings about that.
No, it
Um,
actually failed
Wait,
even.
wait, did it fail? Oh, it did fail,
Yeah,
okay.
it-
But what's the error? Wait, it's a different error. No, it's not a different error. Well, how did Jan compile this? He did compile this.
Should we call him back?
hmm.
Okay,
Uh,
what we
anyways,
need is something that is ninja oriented. I'm thinking. Let's open the make file again and go back to the basics. Yeah, I think we need to go back to the basics. So let's comment the GCC stuff. Okay. Yep, comment that. The users remove the no ninja part. Let's keep it as is. Just keep it as CMake. Yep. Okay, great. Save exit. Okay. Now I have a theory. Make clean extract. Actually, make clean patch. Make clean patch. Yeah.
from Steve.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your Zoom sucks. Yeah, I know the feeling. Patch. Okay. So it's extracted, it's patched, right? Okay, let's go to the work directory.
Which one? This one? Ah, to
Uh,
the work. Okay.
Yeah, work, and then there should be a folder in there. I think it's yep, caps lock. Yep. What I'm gonna ask you to do is run the command that is written by the maintainer of the program, and according to Nicola, the command should be this, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. This is the command. Right into the chat. Okay. So let's see if this is gonna make it work or not.
This
Okay. Okay. So okay, that's good.
didn't even
Now,
finish the.
no. It did finish. It did finish. Now you type in make. Just make. Okay.
Yeah, or maybe CMake.
No, it's just make.
Okay.
It is compiling, as you can see.
Wow.
It's okay. Now we
And
got.
then it isn't. It's
Then it
compiling
isn't.
until it's not.
Okay, it's compiling it. Yeah, that's true. So this is not a problem with our compiler, as far as I can tell. So let me think of something. Do sorry, let's do something interesting. Why would it fail? That's the question. Why would it fail? So is it an error? So it is an error. It's not a warning. It's an error. Okay, let me think. If it's an error, this might actually be a compiler issue. So let me think. Let me think. I'm trying to find a port that uses modern versions of CLang, so it doesn't. Can you please do CC space dash capital V?
Version.
Small v, just dash version, I guess. Oh, okay, yeah, the small v. Okay, so that's 19. Okay, do we need a more modern version? I don't think so. I'm thinking, like, let me just have a look at the docs. That would make it an easier way to do this.
Why are C++
C-
error messages so ugly and
Yeah, I know,
repetitive?
right? I know, right? I do wonder if we can remove the overwrite keyword completely. That might be an option. That might be an option. Or if we use the no error overwrite, it might do it. Okay, we can try that. So do CXX equal. Wait, how would I do that? Where's the docs again? God damn it. I hate this browser sometimes. Okay. If I set the compiler option to CXX, but then I set the variable for the override, how would I do that? I am not sure. Wait, no, I think. Okay, so my options are is to remove the override keyword. Can you have a look at which file it is? So it's caps lock source view. Oh, it's in the single file. Okay, it's in a single file. Let's vim source. Yeah, you can tab complete, I guess. Okay, view. Is there a view file? Oh, sorry, I might have been wrong. Can you do an ls in there? Oh, you're in the build directory. That's why. Yeah, go up one. Okay. Vim to source.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. That's fine. Then go to view. Okay, and then vim prompt table or something like that. It's in a small p, prompt table. Okay, it's CPP. Okay, can you search for overwrite? Right? How do you even type that? Override. OVERRIDE. RIDE. Okay,
Like
enter.
riding a goat.
Yeah, enter. What? It's supposed to be. Can you exit this? I want to have a look. Was it in the? Maybe it's in the other file. Oh, it's in the header file. Okay, so vim prompt. It's HPP, not CPP. Yeah. Okay. Is there an overwrite in here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Delete the overwrite keyword. This is a terrible thing. No one should ever do this. Delete. Yeah. Okay. Great. Okay. Go back one more.
Where?
Back, as in dash up. I should have said up. Sorry, my bad. Go back, go up, and go up again. Okay, and go too
Oh
much.
yeah, I know. Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
caps
big
lock. No, not yet. Don't clean, just make build. Just build.
Why were we using
Okay.
clean anyways? Oh, it's gonna hit an error.
I hope it doesn't okay. Now we're back to Ninja. Oh, I know why. That's fine. Go into work and the directory itself. Go into work and the caps, yep. Okay, and then go into build. Okay, enter. And yeah, just enter. Enter.
Voice.
As in the key enter, okay? Make. Let's see if this actually did something or not. Oh, there's just two more. Okay. That's cute. Go, okay, I have an idea. Go one up. Okay, don't go, yes. Okay, don't do CD anymore, just Vim source view preview. Source view preview. Preview.
So
HPP, yep. Yeah, there should be another overwrite in there. Yeah, let's delete
Yeah.
the overwrite. Oh, there are two overwrites in here. There are
Oh,
multiple
that's
overwrites.
three
Wait, but
overwrites.
which one do we want to delete? That's the question. Let's have a look at the error. Let's have a look at the error.
The renderer,
Yeah.
of course, because it was giving rendering issues.
Okay, great, awesome. Then do that.
And
Okay.
we have another FTX UI.
Wait, but is
Okay, let's gradually remove them every
no.
time.
There's a specific error. If you exit Vim without saving the file, qbang. Yeah, escape qbang. Okay. Which file, which one was it? At line 13 is the one that we care about. The render. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we need to remove it from the render.
Yes.
Okay. We don't need the other two. That's fine.
Numbers, put numbers. What was the
Set numbers, you mean?
Oh, set numbers.
Set space numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's not okay, fine, whatever. Just remove the one at the render.
Yes.
And
Going back and make no
don't do anything yet. I think you didn't change the file yet. Can you have a look? Can you run the same command again? Can you run? Yeah. Delete the one at render. Okay, and there's one more that we need to delete, which is in source view calendar something. No, not in this, not in the same file. It's in source view calendar component. Calendar component. Okay, HPP line 50 to 50G. Or no, don't do that. Instead do escape 50. No, not search, just 50 capital G. 50 capital G. Okay, that's the one. Okay. Thank you, Philip. Okay, save exit.
Bye, Philip.
Okay, go back to build. Build, enter the folder build, and make. Let's see if this works. I'm not sure it does, but just in case. Okay, it's doing something. Ooh, it's actually building.
No, watch cover studies.
I'm not gonna. If I say I'm not gonna jinx it, is it gonna jinx it? Yeah, but it's the same issue. It's fine. Let's see. A variable has incomplete type FTO. Okay. Forward declaration of. This is actually a source problem. Can I ask you a question? When you built the software on your computer on Arch, did you do a Git checkout or did you check out on the branch master?
You
just did Git clone, right?
Yes.
Okay. I have a theory that this software has a bug on this specific version. Yeah. Can we check it? Yes, we can. So go back to the our ports directory. I mean, just go back up twice, thrice. And so we're going to specify an exact Git tag for it, a Git commit for it, instead of using the tag that the author has given us, which was...
Can you give me the commit?
Yeah, so here's what we're going to do. Okay. So no, you don't need to check out there. Don't worry. They just modify the make file. Modify the make file, and in the
Oh,
make,
yes.
yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, and in the make file, just vim make file. Okay, M capital. Great. So you see where it says this version. Yeah. So comment that. Don't delete it. Just escape you. Escape.
And
Escape.
yeah.
Don't panic. Escape you. Okay. Comment that. Yeah,
Sure.
just comment the whole
Oh
line.
no.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay. Don't worry. Just
Yeah.
comment the whole line.
Oh.
Okay. What I'm gonna do is, because I actually have notes about this, luckily. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do grep gh everywhere, and then we're gonna do nr, and then I'm gonna give you a specific git hash, so you don't have to suffer with that. And it's gonna be a commit word. Is it the word commit? Please tell me it's the word commit. Yes. So what you want to do is you want to wait, where's your screen? Okay, great. So let's see. No. Set the dist version. Wait, what? Dist version or version? That's interesting.
Oh, it's this version.
Yeah, it's version. Can you set it to version? Did you delete it by accident, or was it wrong the whole time?
I don't remember.
Okay, set it to version.
We can check that, by the
We
way.
can, yeah, do a save exit. Do git status.
Wait a second.
Don't worry.
I want to see if it was.
Yeah, just do git status, and you should be able to see. Oh, you mean from the copy paste? Oh, that's smart. I can have a look.
No, you did it absolutely
I
correct.
did correctly, so it's not that. Okay, that's fine. We can just modify the make file. So one sec. I'm trying to think if that's, no, you don't need to do that. Remove the A at the end, add a new line, and set gh underscore commit equals, and now we need to get, what do we need? The first 7 digits. Okay, let me find this first 7 digits for you, which is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, copy, paste, here it is. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it might actually. Okay, paste. Okay, save exit. Do no worries. Okay, yeah, even cuter. Do make let me think. Do make clean extract. It should fail, but that's fine. No, not make build. Make clean extract. Clean extract. Make clean extract. Extract. It should fail, but that's fine. We're in the wrong place. Go back one. Oh. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Do vim on the make file. I think we did not specify. So remove the dist version, or comment it rather. Okay. Okay. What do we want to set instead? That's what I'm thinking. 1 second. I have an example for that. Commit. I do have an example for that, don't I? I'm pretty sure I do. Yes. Wait. Come on, grep, be faster. Why is my laptop much slower than I expected? Let's see when it gets it. Come on. Do we have an example for that? We should have an example for that. We do, yes. So here's a security, where is it? Security teleport make file. It uses commit. Okay, good. And what do we do for the rest of the things? Git commit. So change gh commit to gh commit short. Gh commit underscore short. Okay.
And they just look it up.
And
this version is?
And this version is, let's call it I think we should name it something that doesn't exist. So what I would do in a scenario like this is I would make it called Devil, like the development branch. Yeah.
Is that this version or this branch?
Dist version. Yeah, set the dist version to equals Devil. Devel. Okay. I don't know if this is going to work, but make clean extract. Let's see if it works. Okay, good. Wait. This okay, dist info is out of date. That's correct. And then Uncle Dave taught us we do make some. Control C, make some. Yeah, make some.
Or make patch.
Not yet. Just make some for now. Okay. What is it complaining about? Oh, that. But I do want to use a specific. Okay, maybe you should. What we should do is we should comment out dist version. Yeah, we should comment out dist version. Okay. Actually, yeah, just comment out dist version. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Let's do make some again. I hope it works. I'm not sure. No, it doesn't.
Hey, you remember that you had access to my virtual machine, right?
That's a very good point. But
I wonder if I can go to sleep and you can.
Same as well. Yeah. You know what? Let's actually, I like this. Can you do git status? Let's just save it and we can continue at the next call because this is actually a very interesting port apparently. Yeah, that's we don't want to do the add all. No, instead just do add on the make file. Okay, space, and then do git commit for that. Yes. Weird dependencies. Yeah, awesome. Yes. And Shminja, yeah, great. And we also want to do it on the files. Yeah, git add on the files as well. And we can specify that as a patch. Awesome. Okay. Git status, just have a look at everything is fine. Okay, it is. Well, Dexter, are you here?
I'm here. What's your status? I say we reconvene
yeah,
if needed.
We both came to the same thing. So we do have a software problem. This is not a port problem anymore.
Okay.
It might be FreeBSD specific, although Jan did say that he was able to compile on FreeBSD, so we'll have to discuss with him a bit later. Overall, the port is, I mean, this was a very good workshop, I want to say. This wasn't even a tutorial, but this was a very good workshop.
Yep.
No.
Yeah, let's do the closing and
okay, great work,
then
you
we can
two.
have that. Okay.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Should I do the honors, or do you want to share your screen?
Sure. Let me bring back the doc.
Kind of sad that we did not achieve anything.
It's absolutely this is like pro territory at this point. Like we're not talking about a simple program. We're talking about a pretty complicated program. So absolutely no worries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you can leave it at that and maybe close your screen and we just wave and say hi and well,
do the
thanks
closing.
for all of that. I've actually, let me show my screen. I've documented this as best I can.
Not sharing anymore. Thanks.
Okay, I'll
for
put this
looking at
up
my
just
screen.
now. Of course, that was
Okay.
very
Okay.
cool. I've gone from I suspect the actual port syntax may have changed, but I dropped
Oh
in
yeah, I
a
was
bunch of the
following
N5s
those.
there.
Yeah, I was following those. Those are very much accurate. Yes.
So maybe synchronize that if needed, but I
Yep.
did some documenting on what, why and how and depends and all. So
Yeah.
do report back. And obviously there's help within reach. We can spend the rest of our lives answering Philip's question. And let me check the time. And Varya, have you watched some of these? And if I was to ask, would you like the honors? Would you know what that refers to?
I've never finished a video.
Never
I've
finished
watched
one.
several.
Okay.
Fair enough. 2020 UTC. So let her rip, Antranik.
Production Users Calls is brought to you by BSD Fund. Please donate money so we can do these forever. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you. Take care, you too.